1, 2, 3,
A few moments later.
98, 99, 100,
Few inches later.
880, 881, 882,
6 hours later.
9212, 9213,
Many months later.
5,000,001, 5,000,002.
One eternity later. Eventually.
Welcome back friends, my name is Pradeep and in this video I am going to explain linear gradient in Flutter. So stay tuned till end and I'm sure you gonna learn something new. So sometimes we need beautiful background and we just simply give a color, like I have given deep orange color to my container. But this is not so beautiful and we need something else. Here gradient came into the picture. In Flutter we have mainly two types of gradient. First is linear gradient and second is circular gradient. In this video we will only focus on linear gradient. So in linear gradient colors are aligned linearly. So let's remove the simple color and give it gradient. In gradient colors property is required, so we need to add list of colors. So let's give it some colors. Color start red and color start blue and color start green. Now let's see what we got, and that's it. We successfully implemented linear gradient in our container. So that's the basic and very basic of linear gradient. You can say this is by default that comes with linear gradient. Just use linear gradient in the gradient property and add some colors. These colors will be filled according to their position, like you have given red, then blue, then green. So in the box, in the container, first red is filled, then blue is filled, then green is filled. So now let's learn something more about linear gradient. So in linear gradient we have few more properties like stops, begin, end. So first let's see what is begin and end. So you can see here in the application, first we are getting red color, then blue color, then green color from left to right. But what if we want this red from top, then blue in center, then green in bottom? For that we can use begin and end property. So in begin we need to give the alignment, and let's say I want this red from top and this green from bottom. So I can give this alignment top center, and for end I can give it alignment dot bottom center. So let me hot reload, and here we go. We got our top on the red on the top and green on the bottom. And also there are many other alignment that you can use, like you can start with top left and you can end with bottom right, like this. So this was all about begin and end. Now we have stops. What is stops? stops basically tells how many area should these color cover, like stop for red color, stop for blue color, and stop for green color. I am giving stops like 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. So this area will be filled according to the given stops, you can see. So let me explain in detail the stops. So the stops should be in ascending order, and the values should be between 0 to 1, and the length of the stops should be equal to the length of your colors, because each value tells the stop for each color. Like the first one tells this about the stop of red, and the second one tells about the stop of blue, and the third value tells about the stop of green. So let's comment it out, and let's see. And so we can see that we want this red to be spread something more, like we want this red to come from till here. So what we can do, in the stops we can give red some more values, like we can give it 0.4, and we can give it 0.5, and we can give it 0.9. And you can see our red spread out till here. And let's say now we want this green to be spread out till here, and we want this blue only in the middle of this container. So we can write here 0.6, and now our green will spread till here, you can see. So this was the stops. Stops tell about the stops for your each color, like how many portion of the screen of that widget it should cover. And remember, always the length of the stop should be equal to the length of the colors, and values should be between 0 and 1. So that was all about linear gradient in Flutter. Thank you so much for watching till here. Feel free to subscribe and like. Have a great day.